Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. So, my only variable in this equation is x, which I have twice, so this is going to be solving for. And now for my solution. I have x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. And what I'm first going to do is take the power of 5 on both sides. So I get x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 100 to the power of 5. And now from here, I can use the property that states that a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. Well, if a to the power of m times n is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n, remember how a to the power of m times n is the same thing as a to the power of n times n. So if these two are equal, then this means that this should equal a to the power of n to the power of m. So in simpler terms, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So now that we know that we can switch these two's places, I can say that x to the power of 5 is m and 5 is n, and I can switch the places of these two. So if I do that, I get x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now 100 I can rewrite as 10 squared. So I get x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 10 squared to the power of 5. And now 10 squared to the power of 5 is the same thing as 10 to the power of 10. So I get x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 10 to the power of 10, meaning x to the power of 5 is equal to 10, and x is equal to the 5th root of 10. So this is my answer.